don't know about you guys, but often when there's 3 of us and we're in the caravan, the shoe situation at the door is a bit of a trip hazard. We've come up with a really good solution for that though. We managed to get one of these. And it's really easy to put together. It's really lightweight, so it doesn't take up much of your payload. And it just fits in, for us, it just fits in next to our unit at the back of our bed. And it fits in 5 pairs of shoes. Smaller the shoes, you can fit a few more extra in. And it's really handy just to store everything away so it's nice and neat and tidy. So it fits together this way. It's an interlocking system, which is really easy to do with no tools, and it does come in a different colourway. It comes in the black as well, so if you prefer that. So we've ordered this. Let's have a look at what's inside. Comes neatly packed in lots of different pieces. Let's have a look. So these are the parts that it comes with. Pretty easy to put together. We've got the bases, which are here. Then we have the back parts, which stabilise it at the back and slot in. And then we also have the risers, which help to put the different tiers on, which just click into place. So that's one of the sections done. Just going to get the next section now and keep making it. Of course, if you don't want it 5 levels, you could always just finish at 2 or 3. It's completely adjustable, and if you did decide to do that, then you just take them off and just finish it there. So, ta-da! We've decided on just the 4 tiers for us. It fits in quite snugly. We've kept the other one here as a spare in case we do decide to raise it up.
Let's install it.
Let's do it. Let's see if it fits. Perfect. And voila, nice clear entranceway. So there you go, that's our solution for a clutter-free entrance for your caravan. If you'd like to grab yourself one of these, they're about £12.99 from Amazon. We'll pop the link below so you can grab yourselves one too. It's not affiliated, we just really like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and we'll catch you guys next time. And don't forget to check out this video next.